Hello everyone and welcome to 2018. Happy New Year guys, we made it. So it's a brand new year, there are lots of new resolutions, people are starting up new hobbies, beginning new things, and I get a question a lot from a lot of people who want to get into photography, and they start to ask that, oh, okay, how do I get into photography? And I keep telling them that it's very easy. All you need to do is get a camera, a lens, and start taking pictures. And then they start to procrastinate and wait and say that, you know what, they're going to wait until they get this 5D Mark II. They're going to wait until they get this 6D, or now they want to get a A6300, A6500, or an A7. Today, I want to talk to you guys and let you know that now is the best time to start photography. Today, right now. Don't wait until you have that amazing camera that you've been dreaming of. Don't wait until, you've got that lens that your friend is using. Now is the best time to start. I remember when I first started, it was a very funny story. I followed my friend to a supermarket and we were just basically window shopping, and I came across a DSLR that was on sale. It was actually a Nikon D3100. And, I was kind of like an impulse buyer and I wanted to buy, but then I held myself and I was like, I'm going to go do my research. And at the end of the day, I ended up buying a Canon 550D, a Speedlight, and a 51.8. And I used that for so many years. I think I used it for about 2 years before I finally saved up enough money to upgrade to a 5D Mark II. But in those 2 years, I took so many amazing pictures. I practiced every blessed day. I went on Instagram and followed so many different photographers. I think the highlight of my own growth as a photographer was when I came across a photographer by the name of Danny Diamond. He was an amazing photographer and he shot with strictly natural light. And when I saw his work, it completely blew my mind. I was like, whoa, you can achieve all this with just using natural light. A lot of other photographers I was following at the time were working in these big, amazing studios. They had these really big, expensive lights, these really big, expensive lenses. And here was this guy just using one camera, one lens, shooting outdoors and creating amazing pictures. So you guys, stop procrastinating. I know we all struggle with procrastination, but kick procrastination to the curb. Work hard, practice, and in no time, you yourself will be good as that, photographer that you're admiring. So that's all I want to say today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, drop a comment below, and please subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.